Everyone, hope you all are doing well. This is CMA Pradeep Dhani, your teacher, your mentor. So, guys, congratulations to all those candidate who has qualified December 2020 CMA Foundation exam. Congratulations. Firstly, congratulations to all those students and parties still pending from your side. So, guys, yes, and yes, those students who has clarified December 2020 Foundation CMA Foundation exam. Yes, you have clarified one stage of the CMA professional. Two stages are still pending, and hopefully, you will clear easily those remaining two stages and become the CMA. So guys, once again, congratulations to all those foundation student who has clarified the CMA foundation exam. Yes guys, and now what is there is some question from all those students who has qualified the CMA foundation exam. Yes guys, those students are eligible for June 2021 exam. Institute will give 10 more days extension and you can easily take the admission in. And yes guys, do not waste and wait for December 2021. In June you can give either one or two as per your convenience. So guys, and yes guys, you can give the yes, you can give the inter exam in June 2021. No need to wait for December. Okay guys, if you still have any question in your mind regarding the further strategy, yes, you can ask me. How you can prepare CMA Inter? I have prepared the separate strategy, group 1, group 2 study plan for CMA Inter, group 1, group 2 and both group student also. I have prepared separate videos for those particular student guys. Okay guys, you can watch out. And yes, best faculty for CMA Inter and how we can do self study. Everything is available in my channel. You can playlist, you can see the playlist. Everything is available for you. And guys, now guys, move to those students who didn't able to clear CMA foundation exam. Guys, this is a professional exam. And yes guys, it is not possible that every student should clear the exam. Yes guys, but you are also the gem. You need not to demotivate. It is my humble request to those CMA foundation didn't able to clear the CMA foundation this attempt. No need to worry guys, you do need not to demotivate guys. Yes guys, you need to polish yourself. You need to do quiet introspection, which mistake you have made. Maybe there are some lack, or you need to polish yourself, but you need to boost up and give the June exam, and maybe in upcoming June exam, and you will clear the CMA foundation exam. Yes guys, maybe you will take some time, but no need to worry. After all, you will become a CMA. Just keep motivate. If you still have any problem in any a paper or anything, you can just ask me, and surely I will try to help you. But I will humble request to their parents and those candidate need not to demotivate guys. Yes guys, in CMA foundation or in CMA inter final, in this professional course, failure is a part of our journey. No need to demotivate at any level, either foundation, inter or final. You need to understand in which subject you are lacking, and you need to do some improvement. There is only word improvement, and you will clear yours in June 2021 your CMA foundation. No need to worry. Okay guys, now the question arises, how many CMA foundation student clarified? The institute has a press release. 6542 is the number that student clarified the CMA foundation December 2000 exam. 6542 is the number guys, and more than 70 or 75% is the percentage. 70 or 75% is the percentage of clearing the CMA foundation. To congratulations to those students, and no need to demotivate those students. You need those students who didn't able to clear the CMA foundation December 2020 exam. You have to work hard. You need to do some improvement, and on those subjects which you are lacking. So just improvement and you will clear in the next term. So guys, and yes guys, there is a question that some of the student didn't able to get their result. Now what will they do? Yes guys, around 270 or 276 student didn't able to clear, and maybe they receive, or in soon they will receive message or mail that maybe due to technical glitches, or maybe some of the student found malpractices, and institute give mail or message to those students. Yes guys, in the earlier session, Papan sir was crying. I was also feeling very bad. Papan sir was crying ki those some of the student, for those student who didn't able to clear their result, and Papan sir was also crying. So guys, I have already said, and most of our respected teachers said that please guys, do not involve in such kind of malpractices. But some of the student didn't understand what I can say, but I can say that please, and yes, institute will give another chance of opportunity of being heard. If anyone CMA foundation student didn't able to get his result, yes, he will receive message or mail, and on those mail he need to top up and clarify the reasons. If institute agree with his reason, yes guys, his result will be declared. And another opportunity will be given to those candidates. So it is my humble request again and again in upcoming exam also, please do not involve in such kind of malpractices. CMA exam is very easy to clear, foundation, inter or final. We have also cleared exam and we are just guiding you. Yes guys, already earlier I have said that please do not involve in such kind of malpractices. And yes, some of the student result withheld by the institute, around 270 or 276 are the number of students. Yes guys, and the study plan for those students who have cleared, I have told that in my channel you will get all the things. And the remaining topic, yes guys, I have cleared the all the topics. So this is the day of CMA foundation student who have cleared. Just enjoy, and after 1 week or 2 days you can prepare for CMA Inter June 2021 exam. Those didn't able to clear, work hard 2 days, you just relax, and after that you need to focus on upcoming exam. Okay guys, and those who didn't able to get their result, soon institute will share the mails. You need to answer that key why the system is showing the malpractices. Okay guys, so you need to just work on those areas. Okay guys, still in your mind, if you have any questions you can ask me. I am for you guys. You just need to ask the questions and I will surely help you. So guys, still in your mind you have any questions, you just ask me and surely I will help you. So I'm ending this video, and yes, best of luck for those students who have cleared the, enjoy your party, enjoy your day. Best of luck guys.